How to fix audio problem on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to fix your audio problem in Windows. First thing first you need to do is make sure that your volume is turned up all the way. So make sure that you increase the volume all the way up top. You can also go to the sound input. Make sure that your default output device is selected as well. If you're connected to any other headphones, make sure it's not connected to that. And then from there, if you're still facing the issue, then you need to go over to the Windows icon, right click on it, and go over to a device manager. Once you open up your device manager, you need to find your audio input devices. So click on the drop down at first, and from there, you can easily find your speakers. Right click on it, go to update driver, then tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers already installed, you're good to go. Now do the same thing down below. Go to sound, video, and game controllers. Then find your display audio. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically, and one last time for the real estate car audio. Update driver. This time you can do browse your computer for drivers. Let me pick from list of available drivers. If you see more than one, just pick the top one, tap on next, and it will automatically install the driver for you. Now the final step is to go ahead and scan for hardware changes. Go to action, then go to scan for hardware changes. Restart your PC once and your audio should be fixed. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.